inspire you?
I really didn't really think that I would ever do triple jump because I myself got into sprints forcefully by my PE teacher in school.
Yes.
This is somewhere I didn't know I would be.
The triple jump, Lianes Hernandez of Cuba, 14.9 for the World Championships for the women. So Cuban there winning the triple jump. And you have Pedro Picardo of Portugal, 17.91. No American, a Cuban and the Portuguese. So World Athletics now, as we're watching the discus throw, Kate Kaur at Patiala, 66.59 has been the world's best, and Sima Antil at Kochi, 57.94. So the point I make that in the triple jump, it's some of multiply that into 4 times.
That's 16 years.
16 years of domination.
Domination, dedication, sacrifice, everything.
You have a dictionary with you to take out some more words, adjectives to.
I cannot imagine the struggle or the sacrifices that she would have made. That's amazing.
Yes,
That's just truly inspirational.
I've seen her since her junior days. I've lost a lot of my hair watching her and commentating on her. Yeah, it's been wonderful. Now, the next of them is the girl from Sri Lanka, Asagiri Gidara Vinodini Visha. They have a very, very long name, the Sri Lankans. She's a southpaw. In the triple jump, many kids have asked me this question. If you're a right-handed writer, or if you're a left-handed writer, as a left-handed girl, I'm not saying you, if there's a left-handed boy or a girl, how much is the difference vis-a-vis a right-handed?
To be honest, I'm
the winner. It doesn't, whether it's the American national anthem, the Sri Lankan national anthem, the British national anthem, it all gives us goosebumps.
Of course it does.
All gives us goosebumps. I know Samardeep is going to talk a lot about being there at the top.
At the top,
yes.
Listening to the anthem, yes.
Listening to the anthem. 52 seconds is what the national anthem is.
Yes.
52 seconds. And we keep on hoping that from an India perspective, all of you all continue to do well. Coming up from the junior ranks now to the senior ranks, the pressure will start mounting. A warning to all of you all.
Yes.
निधि के नाम सिल्वर मेडल आया है और श्रीलंका की विनोदनी विशा के नाम आया है ब्रॉन्ज मेडल। एक बार फिर नंबर 1 2 भारत। अभी हमने देखा कि हर्डल्स में भी नंबर 1 2